भीमातीरनिवासाय पंढरीपुरवासिने पांडुरंगप्रकाशाय विठ्ठलाय नमो नमः. मरुत्पुत्राय कवये भीमाय भयहारिणे श्रीमदानंदतीर्थाय प्रख्याताय नमो नमः. Dear children of God, Jai Sri Krishna, Namaste. It's the 141st day since the nationwide lockdown started. It just struck me today that we are unaware of a mega scanner in our life. Hence the topic I chose is God scans you. The lexical meaning of the word scan suits my trend of thoughts. To scan, it is said, is to look at all parts of something carefully in order to detect some feature. Man is living as he likes, as he wants, and not as he should many a time. A certain turbulence takes place in his life when he falls ill and has to undergo a scan. He still lies in the clinic, absolutely still, afraid of a mysterious ailment, a more mysterious treatment for it, above all the formidable bill to be paid. If only man would become conscious that God is scanning him, his life would certainly change for the better. He'll realize that his faults are threadbare before the Lord's scrutinizing eyes. His lapses seem unpardonable under the divine scanner. Suddenly he realizes he is not alone, but in a large universal clinic where the dear doctor called God is closely observing all. The best part is just a few of us are aware that we are being observed, like the modern airports where there are invisible scanners. None can escape the expert eyes that are watching. So many in the world are committing small mistakes, sometimes gory crimes, big frauds involving billions, yet they think they are safe till the end. Only when the scanner yields the reports to the hands of justice that crime is exposed. No one can hide the truth. Truth will be out because truth is God. When an ordinary man becomes God conscious, he becomes uncomfortable for a while and tries to improve a bit. First of all, he is repentant for what has gone before, and he is worried whether God will forgive his trespass. If he meets a saintly person, the Guru takes over the spiritual responsibility of grooming him, training him like a horse rider to fall from the horse, then be dragged by the horse, sometimes allow the horse to hurt him. Finally, with the blessings of the Guru, after several rounds on the open ground, he sits firmly on the horse and the journey to his destination is safe and sure. For a true devotee, from birth, God consciousness is a part of his nature. He is born with the scanner. Not a moment is lost. Like Prahladji, he is embraced by the Lord from play school. Govinda Parirambitaha. He does not need special training because he has already been trained in previous birth. Bahunam Janmanam Ante Jnanavan Mam Prapadyati Vasudeva Sarvamiti Samahatma Sudurlavaha. It's a rare phenomenon. After several births, this man of devotion and knowledge reaches God. For him, Krishna is everything. He who is aware of the scanner is faultless and sinless. The Lord is guiding him, governing him, and leading him to his divine destination. Today is Janmashtami. All of us are celebrating the coming of the Lord into the world. He comes, he forever comes. There is not a single day when we don't remember the Lord. But there are very special occasions when we celebrate, like Ram Navami and Krishnashtami. Krishna means attraction, the Lord of attraction. He is the biggest scanner. When Draupadi was about to be disrobed, he had already known the heart and the feelings of Dushasana and his vicious plans. So he was ready with the numberless robes that were flowing from his hand. When Dhritarashtra is about to embrace Bhima, the Lord has already scanned his heart. He knows this fellow will crush Bhima into pieces. He puts an iron figure of Bhima, and Dhritarashtra realizes how much of hatred he has against the killer of his son. The Lord is the biggest scanner. On the Ashtami day, on the Rohini Nakshatra day, the Lord came into the world to establish justice. May that Krishna, may that Master, who was a multiple figure, a figure with variegated talents, Madhuradipater, Akhilam Madhuram, Adharam Madhuram, Vadanam Madhuram, Nayanam Madhuram, Hasitam Madhuram, Hridayam Madhuram, Gamanam Madhuram, Hridayam Madhuram, Gamanam Madhuram, Madhuraधिपतेर Akhilam Madhuram, Madhuraधिपतेर Akhilam Madhuram, Madhuraधिपतेर Akhilam Madhuram. May that Krishna bless all of us. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Yatra Partho Dhanurdaraha, Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhutir, Dhruva Netir Matir Mama. Thank you.